Meet the NOCO Boost GB40, your ultimate lifesaver for dead batteries. With 1,000 amps of peak lithium power, this compact jump starter can revive engines up to 6-liter gas and 3-liter diesel, delivering up to 20 starts per charge. Built with UltraSafe technology, it's spark-proof and protects against reverse polarity, so you'll never connect it wrong. It's not just a jump starter, it's also a portable power bank for your phone, tablet, and more. Plus, a 100-lumen LED flashlight with 7 modes makes it perfect for roadside emergencies. All in a tough, water-resistant 2.5 pounds design. Using the GB40 is quick and safe. First, connect the clamps to your vehicle's battery, red to positive, black to negative. Then, press the power button, wait for the indicator light, and start your engine. Once your vehicle is running, simply disconnect the clamps and you're ready to hit the road. Recharging the GB40 is easy. Just plug it in with the included USB-C cable and it'll be ready in about 3 hours. Use it to charge your smartphone on the go or keep it in your glove box for peace of mind. Whether it's an emergency jump or powering your devices, the NOCO Boost GB40 has you covered. Grab yours today because when your battery says no, the GB40 says, let's go.